This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by removing common slowdowns. Update Roblox and your GPU drivers so the game uses optimized code. Once done, close background apps with Task Manager to free CPU/GPU and at least 1 to 2 gigabytes of RAM for Roblox. Next, restart your router and flush DNS so name lookups don't stall. Use a wired Ethernet connection if possible because Wi-Fi adds latency. These steps eliminate the most frequent causes of long loading times quickly. Now perform deeper fixes. Uninstall and reinstall Roblox to replace corrupted files, and manually clear the Roblox cache and app data so stale assets don't hang loading. Then make sure your firewall or antivirus isn't blocking asset downloads by adding exceptions, and test briefly with security software off to confirm. Also change in-game graphics settings, lower quality and disable VSync, so the client can load maps faster, and limit other device uploads or downloads to free bandwidth for assets. Finish by validating your connection. Run a speed and ping test to confirm stable download and low latency, because high packet loss causes long loads. If tests reveal issues, contact your ISP or Roblox support with traceroute results so they can investigate. If loading still hangs, perform a clean boot to rule out background services, or briefly test through a VPN to see if a routing problem is involved. One key troubleshooting tip: check your host's file for blocked Roblox domains before more invasive steps.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.